cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm doing a hot cocoa bar in my kitchen. I am super excited for this. I was gonna do one last year and I never got to it. So if you are new here, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below and then click the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. But let's get into it. Let's fill up this humongous jar full of candy. All right, you guys, so I got this large cookie / candy jar from Target. It was $10, and then the majority of the chocolate I got from Walmart and Target. These cute little drinking straws were a Hobby Lobby find. Okay, these pretzel rods I also got from Target. The jar that I'm putting them in is from Target, and then that red and white jar that's in the back there, I got that jar from Michael's. Have you guys ever made a hot cocoa bar or a hot cocoa station? I want to know in the comment section down below. And then also, I want to let you know that I have another YouTube channel. It's called Just a Little Kick, and I'll link it in the description box. But I have a homemade hot cocoa recipe. You make it in a crock pot. It's super easy, and I hope to have that video up in the next couple days. So make sure you go over there and subscribe, and then click that bell too, so then that way you'll know when it goes up. Now to the fun part, which is actually decorating this hot cocoa bar. So I tried to fit this big jar in here. I don't know what I was thinking. I had to kind of move stuff around and, you know, see where it looks best and where it fits and that kind of stuff. Just working with the space that I have. I do end up moving this hot cocoa bar sign up though, because when I started filling up the tray, it just was not fitting. The hot cocoa bar sign I got from Hobby Lobby last year and never used it, so I'm putting it here now. And then this tray I just picked up from At Home, the little, I think it's called gift filler. I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. You guys like this? You have to move stuff around over and over again until you can get it exactly how you like it. That's what I do every time I'm decorating, and I really love the end result, so I'm glad that I just kept going until I felt like it looked its best. I had so many signs that I wanted to put over here, but it just was not fitting, not working, not looking right. So I didn't get to use any of them except the one that's in the back there. But that's okay, because I actually did end up using them in other parts of the house when I, changing my decor over and all of that. this little gingerbread girl. She is so cute, and I got her from Hobby Lobby as well, all 50% off. So this is the end result. It turned out so cute. I made just a couple changes here. I added the little like holiday festive sprinkles on top of the peppermint jar. I had forgotten that when I was filming. And then I also had bought this I Love Hot Chocolate mug from, I think it was Michael's. Nope, I think it was Hobby Lobby actually. I had bought that and I'm like, I absolutely have to use it on this station. I mean, duh, right? So I ended up just putting those double chocolate packets of hot cocoa inside of that mug. So that is all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was really fun to make this hot cocoa bar. This is my first time making one, but I will definitely be doing it again from here on out. And I know my kids are just going to have a ball with all the different toppings and the cookies and all that kind of stuff. So if you enjoyed it, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys back here soon for a brand new video. Bye.